Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I really hope you're all doing well. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to look your best without makeup. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not saying you should use makeup and I'm not saying you should use makeup. It's whatever you want whenever you want. But in this particular video I'm not going to use any makeup product and just focus on the skin and how you can make your skin look good at all times without using makeup products. It's for the days when it's too hot outside and I just want to go out and have fun and I don't want to care about if my makeup is melting, right? So yeah, it's for those days, and these are something tips and tricks that have helped me, so I hope these help you too. So if you guys are interested, without any further ado, no, wait, please like this video if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. That would mean the absolute world to me. So yeah, now without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so the first step is going to be grooming. Now groomed eyebrows, upper lips and all of that makes a huge difference. Eyebrows do frame your face. So if you do face shaving, make sure that's done, and if you wax your face, whatever method of hair removal, if at all you use something like that, then make sure that's done. That just helps your skin to look more clear, and I personally love face shaving. That's what I do to get rid of my facial hair. If you don't do anything, that's totally your call, but if you do and if you want to try it out, I leave certain videos where I talk about face shaving in the description box, so make sure you check those out. Alright, so starting with the first step of our skincare, I'm gonna use a serum. So this is what I'm using. This is the Wow Skin Sign Vitamin C Serum. Now I'm using this particular serum because vitamin C is gonna brighten my skin and make it look all good. So this is what I'm using right now, but you can also go for like a hyaluronic acid serum so that it plumps your skin, or whatever serum that you're using currently, go with that. So I'm just gonna take this much, like a very little 2 pumps, and just gonna dab it into my skin. Alright, so after a serum I'm gonna use a moisturizer, of course. So this is what I'm using. This is the Sugar Aquaholic moisturizer, and this is how it looks like. It's a very beautiful whipped kind of moisturizer. It makes my skin very plump, hydrated, and it's also very lightweight, so I love like that. Alright, so next we're gonna use an eye cream, and this is what I'm using right now. This is the Beautyco Under Eye Gel. Now this one in particular is very watery, like look at that. It's a very lightweight, very water gel-like consistency, and I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes. I always forget using an eye cream, but it's a very important step to hydrate your under eyes. It just makes you look a lot awake, and it just takes all the tiredness away. So yeah, that's what I'm using right now. Alright, so next up I'm going to use a sunscreen, and this is what I'm using right now. So I'm just taking that much and dabbing it on my face. Now this sunscreen in particular is not at all sticky. It gives me a very nice, beautiful dewy skin. I love that, and it makes a lot of difference into how your skin looks. Alright, so now when we're done with sunscreen, I'll go on with the primer, and this is what I'm using right now. Now this is the Rimmel Insta CC Primer. This one in particular is for color correction. So as you see, I have a little bit of red spots right here. So this is gonna cancel them out. And this also is gonna give me a very beautiful dewy skin. So this is how that looks like. And I'm just gonna dab it and go right where I have those red spots and on my T-zone. You can go on with the smoothing primer as well, whatever your concern may be. If you have pores, you can go with the silicone primer so that it covers your pores up. Alright, so next up, we are gonna curl our lashes. So this does make a huge difference because we are not using makeup. So we are gonna just curl our lashes to make them look, nice and curled up. So I just push the eyelash 10 times a little bit, and then I'll just you know, keep it like this for 10 seconds, and then I'll just, so you see that? I hope you can see the difference like I can. Alright, so I hope you can see what a difference curling your lashes makes, but we're not gonna stop right here. We're gonna emphasize the lashes just a little more. So I'm using this Vaseline jelly on my lashes right now, like you'll see, just to make them look a lot longer and more emphasized. So I'm just taking a little bit on my finger and I'm just gonna apply it on my lashes. Alright, so for the lips, I'm gonna use this Flicka Cosmetic Lip Balm. This one has a little bit of color to it, so it's gonna make my lips look a lot pink. So I'll just apply a little bit. And I'll just take this and apply it a little bit on my, on the cheeks. So you see that it instantly gives me a very uplifted and fresh makeup look. So, and we did that without using any makeup, so that's amazing. Alright, so next up, to highlight my cheekbones, I'm gonna use this moisturizer by Sugar. So this one is in the pink Trippin shade. So I'm just gonna use a very little bit, that's all. I'll just dab it right on the high points of my face. This is a moisturizer, so it's just gonna give me a very beautiful uplifted within kind of a effect. So you see that we did it just with a moisturizer and it looks so good. And if you do not have an illuminating moisturizer, you can again go with the petroleum jelly and use it on your high points. It's gonna do the same thing for you. Alright, so now when we have done so much for our face, why leave our body unattended? So I'm gonna use this Bath and Body Works 1000 Wishes body cream. It smells divine, it smells so good. So I'm just gonna take just tiny bit and use it all over my neck, my body, my arms. So this is just gonna make me look, not look actually, it's gonna make me smell really good, and that is also a part of your appearance. So make sure you smell good all the time. So I've noticed whenever I just put on earrings, that makes a huge difference in my look. That does make a lot of difference. Alright, so coming to my hair, I just washed them, so they're a little bit wet from the back, and I'm just gonna apply a serum. This is from the Beautyco Argan hair serum. This is how it looks like. I'm just gonna take 2 pumps and apply it. Alright guys, so with that we're done with this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you use these tips and tricks when you're going out and you don't want to do makeup. So these come really handy. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.